What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger using your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To unblock someone on Messenger, open up the Messenger application on your mobile device and tap on the hamburger icon at the upper left corner of your screen. On the menu that opens up, tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner of your screen. On the pop-up settings window, tap on the Privacy and Safety option. Under the Who Can Reach You section, tap on Blocked Accounts. On this page, you will see the list of the people you have previously blocked on the Messenger application. Now, before we proceed to unblock a person on the Messenger application, know that if you previously blocked the person on Facebook, you will not have the option to unblock them on the Messenger application. To unblock them on Messenger, you first need to unblock them on Facebook. Fortunately, you have the option to unblock them on Facebook in the Messenger app. Just tap on their name and then tap Unblock on Facebook. After you unblock them on Facebook, you will now be able to unblock them on Messenger as well on the same settings page and then continue to chat with them in the app. In case you previously didn't block them on Facebook but blocked them on Messenger only, you will have the option to unblock their messages and calls. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.